In the division, 35 divided by 7 equal to 5, the remainder is 0. Therefore, 35 is the dividend, 7 is the divisor, and 5 is the quotient. We have already learned this. We have also learned certain divisibility tests. Let's revise them. Divisibility test of 2. If the unit digit of a number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then the number is divisible by 2, meaning it is completely divisible by 2. Divisibility test of 3. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Divisibility test of 4. If the number formed by the digits in the tens and unit places of the number is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. Divisibility test for 5. If the unit digit of a number is 0 or 5, then the number is completely divisible by 5. Divisibility test of 9. If the sum of the digits of a number is completely divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Divisibility test of 10. If the unit digit of a number is 0, then the number is completely divisible by 10. Let's solve some word problems based on these divisibility tests. First example, a basket contains 107 flowers. If each bouquet requires 10 flowers, how many more flowers are needed at the minimum? Solution. If the unit digit of a number is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. The nearest number to 107 that has 0 as the unit digit is 110. Therefore, 110 minus 107 is equal to 3. Hence, to make bouquet of 10 flowers each, at least 3 more flowers are needed. Let's see one more example. If the number 23*8 is divisible by 9, what is the smallest digit that can replace asterisk mark? Solution. If the sum of the digits of a number is completely divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. For 23*8, the sum of the known digits is 2 plus 3 plus asterisk plus 8 is equal to 13 plus asterisk. To make this sum divisible by 9, the nearest multiple of 9 greater than 13 is 18. 13 plus 5 is equal to 18. So, the smallest digit that can replace asterisk mark is 5. Let's consider another example. What is the smallest number that should be subtracted from the largest 4-digit number to make it completely divisible by 5? Solution. The largest 4-digit number is 9,999. A number is divisible by 5 if its unit digit is 0 or 5. As 9,999 minus 4 is equal to 9,995. Since this has 5 as the unit digit, it is completely divisible by 5. Thus, 4 should be subtracted from 9,999 to make it divisible by 5. Another example, if 56*8 is divisible by 4, what is the smallest digit that can replace this asterisk mark? Solution. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its digits in the tens and unit places is divisible by 4. The last 2 digits are asterisk mark and 8. The smallest such number that is divisible by 4 is 08. Hence, asterisk mark must be 0, making the number as 5608, which is divisible by 4. What did we learn? We learned how to use divisibility tests for 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 and 10 to solve word problems. Exercise: if 4 asterisk 3 6 is completely divisible by both 3 and 9, what digit can replace the asterisk mark? A school has 612 students. They need to be arranged in rows for drill practice. What is the minimum number of students per row from the given options? A 8, B 9, C 10 and D 11. Siley has 4 boxes containing 425, 465, 485 and 495 beads respectively. She wants to make necklaces of 9 beads each and use all the beads from one box. Which box should she choose? At a fun fair, there is a game where players must throw a ring onto the correct target. There are 5 rings numbered 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 4 targets numbered 910, 912, 914 and 916. Prajakta chose ring number 4. On which target or targets should she throw the ring to win a prize?